What do you think of the snow?
Great!
It's pretty crazy, isn't it?
I know. Denton, look what I just made. Wow! A circle! Come look at this!
Yeah, circle in the snow.
Julia, give it to me, give it to me.
Hey Julia, can you make a snow angel? Show me how you do it. Good.
You want me to try it?
Yeah, show me.
Ow!
Awesome, Denton.
Help! Help! Stuck. What's your
Pull it back on. Julia, is it cold?
Yeah. Wow. Julia, when are you going to share? Julia's not sharing.
She will. Let her do it 2 more times. Can you say Merry Christmas, Denton?
Huh?
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Huh?
Say Merry Christmas.